Hello everyone, and very warm welcome to all of you. Now we are going to start our next week 5, and chapter number 2. And today our topic is about multiply multiply out a bracket. Okay, so this is chapter number 2, week 5, day 1. Now this is our school mission and vision. Before going to start today lesson, we will share something about the value of the week, and the value of the week is about also respect for ourselves guides our morals, and respect for others guides our manner. So this is the value of the week. Now there is a quotation related to the value of the week. If they respect you, respect them. Okay, if the people give you respect, in return you also will give respect to others. Next is, if they disrespect you, still respect them. Okay, do not allow the actions of others to decrease your good manners, because you represent yourself, not others. Okay, so if some people give respect to you, you should also respect in return. Okay, but if some people disrespect you, okay, you should also respect in return also, because do not allow the actions of others or decrease. So if you disrespect other, it will decrease your good manners. Okay, so if you respect to the others, it represent yourselves. Okay, so I suggest to you, respect everything around you. Okay, now this is the objective of the lesson: how to multiply out a bracket. Okay, now this is a lesson starter. Here I use a property which is named as distributive property in algebra. Okay, I hope so you very well know about the algebra. Okay, I told you about in the previous lesson what is algebra, in which variables and constants combine together with the help of the arithmetic operations. Okay, now by using this property, okay, I will tell you about that how we can solve the bracket. Okay, in this property I will tell you about how we can solve the bracket. Okay, so this is the distributive property. Why it is called distributive property? Because if I write the left hand side of the distributive property, which is a into b plus c, this is the left hand side. Okay, and if I write the right hand side of this property, ab and ac. Now a is distributed among these two numbers. A is distributed between these two numbers b and c, so that's why it is called distributive property. Okay, now how we can solve this? By using some value. Suppose that the value of a is 2, the value of b is 3, and c is equal to 4. Okay, left hand side, this is the left hand side. Value of a is, so okay, we will solve first left hand side. Value of a is 2 and value of b is 3 and c is 4. Okay, first by using the BIDMAS rule. Okay, so first we solve the bracket. Okay, 3 plus 4 is 7, so we will get 14. So if I solve the right hand side, okay, AB plus AC, so write the value of A is 2, value of B is 3, value of A again A, and value of C is 4. 3 times 6 and 4 2 times 8, so answer will be same. Okay, so here I solve this bracket. Okay, it means to say that from this bracket, the number outside of the bracket will multiply with both numbers inside the bracket. Okay, separately. Clear? First solve the bracket with the arithmetic operation, then after multiply the number which are outside the bracket. Okay. Now what does it mean by expanding bracket? Expanding brackets mean is a fundamental skill in algebra that allows you to simplify expressions, okay, by removing brackets. Clear? Now expand expression with brackets, multiply each. When we are going to multiply or solve any expression, so how we can solve it? Brackets, multiply each term inside the bracket. Let's suppose that here we have expression x plus 3. So we multiply this number 2 with each term which are present in the bracket. Okay. So first we write 2 into x, then 2 into 3. So multiply this number with both numbers inside the bracket. Okay. So 2x, 3 2 times 6. Clear? So this is all about expanding bracket. Now here is an example which are related to the real world situations. Okay. In the previous lesson I also give examples of the topic which are related to the real world situations. Okay. Now here situations are given determining the total distance traveled over time. Okay. So through by brackets through this expression you will learn how we can find the total distance traveled over time. Clear? Now what are the situation is, imagine a person is traveling to a constant speed is constant, mean fixed value, okay, and takes break at a regular intervals. Okay. If they travel 50 km per hour, so 50 km per hour is the distance. So distance is equal to 50 km per hour. Okay, and the time is equal to 3 hours. These are data given are in the question in these situations. Also take a break 50 km for 3 hours and take a 15-minute break. Okay, take a 15-minute break each hour. So how many breaks are there? 15 minutes break for each hour. So these are the data given in the number 1 is the distance are given, number 2 time is given, and number 3 is the breaks time break during this journey. Okay. Now how we can find the total distance by using an expression. Okay. First we will write start from this 3 hours. Total distance time is 3 hours. So we start from here. Write 3 multiply by constant speed is 50 km per hour. So write 50 here. Okay. Now from this let's suppose that this circle represent the 60 minutes. Let's suppose that this circle represent the 50 minutes. So if I 60 minutes divided into 4 parts, 50 into 50 into 50, it means that they take a break after 15 minutes breaks of 1 hour. So it means to say that 1/4 part of the total distance. Okay, that time will not be included in the journey. Okay, because the driver or any person any person which taking break of 15 minutes break for each hours. So 15 minutes break that time will not included in the during your journey. So that's why we subtract from the distance traveled. Write 3 again. I repeat, write 3 hours. Multiply total distance 50 minus 1/4. 1/4 part means this one 4th part. There are 4 part, so we take only 1/4 part. Okay, every 1/4 part it takes a break. Okay, every 1 hour. 15 minutes break each hours. So multiply 50. So if I divide 50, first we solve by BIDMAS rule, solve the bracket, okay. So if we write 3 as it is, 50 as it is, we have 50 dividing by 4, okay, because after bracket we will solve division. So 50 dividing by 4, 4 1 time 4, okay, 5 minus 4 1 0, 4 2 time 8. Here is a number smaller than this one, so we take our right point, also 0 right here, 4 5 times 20, okay. So we will get 12.5. So if I subtract 50 minus 12.5, we will get 37.5. So if we multiply with this number, your answer will be 112.5 kilometer distance, okay. So this is the total distance he traveled in 3 hours at the constant speed of the 50 kilometer per hour, okay. Now this is an activity, world wall activity. Through this activity, how we will learn, inshallah, how we can solve the bracket, okay. Okay, first one is I will solve only 1 or 2. The rest of the brackets we will solve as a home task, okay. First one is write here 2x plus 10. So multiply these numbers with both the numbers which are present in the bracket. Say 2 times 16 and 10 8 times 18. So what is the correct option is, this one is 8, this one is the correct option, okay. Now second one is 2 into 2x plus 1. You can also write this one 2 into 2x, write this one plus 2 into 1. 2 times 4x plus 2. So what is the correct option is 4x plus 2. This one is 4x plus 6. So no, sorry, this one, not this one, not this one. 2 into 2x plus 4 for this one, for this question, okay. I write this question 4x plus 2, yes, this one. So we have to write 2 into 2x plus 1. Sorry for the mistake, okay. So this is the correct option, okay. Rest of all these brackets you will solve at home as a home task, okay, with the similar method. Now how many methods are there to solve the brackets? So there are 2 methods. You can use this method to solve any expression which are brackets are there, okay. So there are to suppose that there are 2 students who really compare the methods they use to expand. First one is the multiplication box and the second one is the multiplication arcs. So okay, so I will explain both with the help of this example, okay. First I will explain how we can multiply 6 with these 2 numbers with the help of multiplication box, okay. So number is given, expression are given in x plus 4. First make the box, okay, like this. What operation we will use? Multiplication operation we will use, okay. So with what number we multiply? 6. First number write x right here, this one right here, and 4 will be right in this box, plus 4, okay. Multiply 6 into x, so we will get 6x. Then 6 into 4, 4 times 24. So we will get the answer, this one, this and this one, 6x plus 24. Clear? This is the one method through which you can solve the bracket. Now here is the multiplication arcs method, okay. Why it is multiplication arcs? These are the arcs, these are the arcs, okay. So how we can solve it? 6 into x plus 4. First use the arc with the first number, 6 into x. Then use the arc for the second number, 6 into 4. So 6x, 6 4 times 24. So you will get the same answer. So these are the 2 methods, okay. It's up to you which method you can use, you feel easy, okay. Now question from the textbook, page 48, question exercise 2.4. So complete the missing box. Okay, this is the part A. 2 into x plus 9. So you can use the arc method. Okay, which one is multiplication arcs method right here. Okay, now how we can solve it? Write 2x, 2 into x, then 2 into 9. So 2x into 2 into 9, 2x we multiply, we will get 2x, and 2 9 times 18, right? Just write 18 right here. Simple question. Okay, so which method we are use? Multiplication arcs method. Okay, 3y, 3 into y, and 3 into 1. Clear? Here is a minus, so we write minus here. 3 into y is 3y, minus 3 1 time 3, so write 3 here. Same like the part C. D, do yourself at home. Okay, do this one. So I will solve right now this C part. 5 4 7. Use the arc for the first number, use the arc for the second number. 4 into 7 and 4 into p. 4 7 times 28, and 4p is 4p. Clear? Now these are the questions, same like the question from the previous slide as we done earlier in the previous slide. Now expand these brackets, copy and complete. Okay, I will solve only one or two brackets. Okay, for example, let's suppose I solve D part. So it is okay. These are the three values are given in the brackets. Okay, so start from 4 into 4 cube, 4 into 4 cube. Then use the arc for the second. 4 into 11. Here is a minus, so write minus here. Okay, now use the arc for the third number is 4 into r. 4 4 times 16, and which variables will you write here? 4 16 cube, and minus 4 11 times minus 44, and 4r means multiply 4r. Clear? So that are the questions in the previous slide. Same procedure for the B and C. Okay, for example, first one 2 into q, 2 into 2x, and again 2 into 1, 2 into 2 4x, 2 1 time 2. Okay, so all these B and C at home as a home task, and share with me on WhatsApp number, my personal number. Okay, if you have any confusion, then ask me. Okay, now these are some questions from the textbook, very simple question. Okay, let's suppose part A, 3y plus 6. So which method we will use here? Multiplication arcs. Okay, so how we can solve it? Just write here 3 into y is operation plus, so 3 into 6. So write here 3 into y, 3y, 3 6 times 18. So simple method. Okay, let's suppose solve any other method. Let's suppose that k part 2 into 1 minus y. So 2 into 1 minus 2 into y. 2 1 time 2 minus 2y. The rest of all questions you will I solve just A and k part. Remaining part you will solve at home as a home task. Okay, must do this question at home on your notebook. This is your assessment home task. Okay, let's suppose that there are total, I think 12 part also. So solve the 6 from A to H. Solve this question first by multiplication box. Okay, and from the last, for example, A to H. Okay, it's up to you. For example, these questions solve by multiplication box, and solve these questions by multiplication arcs. Okay, I write this one. Solve A to J by multiplication box. Okay, and solve these rest of question by multiplication arcs. Okay, so it helps you to practice both methods. Okay, so thank you so much. Hope so you have enjoyed the today lesson and have learned more about how we can solve the question of brackets. Okay, thank you so much.